get to know the Tornos Sigma 20. For precision turning, Tornos works close to the guide bushing, delivering rigidity, tight tolerances and precision finishes. Go full depth of cut, eliminating roughing and finishing and reduce cycle times. For medical applications, OD thread whirling cuts major and minor diameters in one pass, using 3 inserts to minimize chip evac. This gives you clean, burr-free edges for retention in bone. 10,000 RPM live tool spindles let you use small diameter cutters and true XY movement for full milling interpolation. Drilling diameters up to 5/8 of an inch and saws up to 80 mm are possible. The live milling option lets you simultaneously mill 3 axes at once to do thread milling and contour milling of complex shapes. The 4-position end working block lets you do drilling, precision ID boring and tapping. Live face milling can be done in the main or sub spindles and offer true X, Y and Z positioning. That, combined with the 4 C-axis, gives you total versatility. Parting off is made easy with canned cycles and full synchronization between the main and sub spindles. Fully programmable parts manipulator allows you to safely and efficiently remove parts from the spindle into our parts collection device. Whatever your application, Tornos delivers these exclusive features. Rigid, one-piece cast iron base with built-in precast cooling channels for strength and stability. Powerful 7 horsepower, one-piece core motor direct drive spindles. Full synchronous rotary guide bushing cooled via circulated oil for rigidity and precision. And with Tornos, you can split operations 100% between the front and back spindles for simultaneous machining. In this class, no other Swiss builder provides this capability. 1-inch bar stock capability lets you make longer, bigger parts. Theoretically, turn a 12-foot bar up to 9 inches in one chucking with a single setup. An open machining area provides easy access to tooling. Interchangeability and versatility are yours with Tornos. Get 14 front spindle tools and 8 back working tools and use them in any combination. The counter spindle is as powerful as the main spindle. Let's take a look at a complete machining cycle. Here, a complex medical screw is cut in 9 steps. First, we approach the part and machine the starting profile of the thread. Then, the thread whirling attachment is used to cut the first 4 to 5 leads of the thread, preparing it for milling. The main spindle stops and the C-axis rotates to its 0 position. An end mill machines the self-tapping flutes. The whirling tool re-whirls the first threads to deburr the flutes and then continues on to machine the rest of the threads. An OD turning tool moves into place to create an undercut and finish turns the spherical radius. The counter spindle approaches, picks off and cuts off the part. In counter ops, a spot drill creates a pilot hole. An end working drill then brings the hole to size and depth, and the final form is finished off with a power-driven end working tool to create the hex drive socket. The gripper grabs the finished part and drops it into the collection device, thus completing the cycle. 22 interchangeable tool positions, 6 linear axis, 10,000 RPM, parts up to 1 inch diameter and 9 inches long. Want to see more? Visit www.tornos.com.